Okay, Senpai TS18. How to switch for 360 bird view camera and reverse parking. Okay, so got an icon 360. You press, apps isn't installed. You can long press to change the setting, or go to the menu, setting. Okay, this is the show for the reverse. So if you connect the original reverse camera or aftermarket AHD reverse camera, you can do setting from here, from the reverse. Reverse delay, normally we set for the 0, or you want delay 1 second, 2 second or 4 second. Okay, reverse mode, system reverse. And your reverse system selection. If you connect to your original reverse camera, you have to choose NTSC or PAL. Normally in Malaysia, it's choose for the NTSC. Okay, if you connect to the aftermarket AHD parking reverse camera, you have to select for the AHD 72025. Okay, this is connect for Android player TS18, connect reverse camera only. Okay, then extend forward view. This is for the front camera. If you install the front parking camera, you can set for this setting for auto front camera function. So if you choose for the 10 second, that means when you reverse, turn to R, will auto show for reverse. When you turn to N, D or parking, will auto switch to your front camera view for 10 seconds. Okay. Reverse volume control. You can set for reverse mute, or you want just volume down your music when reverse. This is setting for reverse, for connect reverse camera. Okay, if you connect for the 360, you install TS18 and also install 360 720p 720 megapixel 720 megapixel parking 360 bird view camera. So you have to go to factory setting. A password is 123456. Okay, press confirm. Go to number 3, config info. Okay, scroll it down. 360 panorama. You have to turn it on. 360 panorama. Okay, after few seconds, the reverse view will switch to the 360. Let me show you. Full menu again. 360 already turned on. So go to setting. Okay, the reverse view already changed to 360. Okay, now show you for the parking reverse. .360 bird view. It's a touchscreen control. Okay, back to normal. If you set for the 360, it will auto turn on for your auto front camera function. Okay, this is 360 startup. When your car turn on, engine start, turn on, player on, will show for the 360 startup, on or off. Just show the 360. If you want to do the 360 setting, click inside. Okay, back, left right mirror, okay, back to home, 360 icon, TS18, this model is TS18, target audio TS18, 4GB RAM, 64GB. So TS18 version is connect, the 360 is 720p. Different angle view, setting, this is my car model, okay, store file, it's a video, general setting, okay, styling start. This is the styling. When you turn on the styling, the screen will switch. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now I turn on the styling left hand side. So we show for the left hand side styling view. Okay, back to normal. Auto front camera function. Okay, right signal, back to normal. Okay, general setting. So this is styling start. You can set for shutdown that's been turned off. Okay, this is over 10 kilometer is not turned on, over 20 kilometer, or you want set for the over 30 kilometer. It's got a different, or you want a normal open. Okay, this is a straight line, got a reverse line, got a 3 different style you can select. A turn to view and reverse view. You can do a different setting from here. Okay, for video. One store in video file, there's been 4 360 bird view camera, got a front, rear, left and right 4 camera. 4 camera for parking view, also can become your DVR, driving video recorder. So you have to set your saving video stock, recording storage, the location. So each video is recording time set for 1 minute, a normal record. Okay, if you want to turn on video for record, you have to turn it on. So we show for the REC record. Okay, we'll save in the USB one. If you don't want, then off it. It's no more record. Okay. The next, project setting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Password is 4321 for 360 bird view parking camera setting, calibration. So you have to set for the panorama calibration. Okay, for this section, please view our video, the next video. Thank you.